Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make paper plate slime. This is 100% real, I'm not joking at all. It literally makes slime out of paper plates. So the things you're going to need is obviously a paper plate, and it has to be one of the styrofoam plates. It can't be actually a paper plate, it has to be a styrofoam plate, and some pure acetone. I'm gonna pour some acetone. I already have a little bit, but I'm gonna pour more just because I don't want you guys to see that it's fake. So good enough. And then you want to take the plate and just like rip it into pieces. And this is what it'll turn out to be afterwards. This is what it will look like. So it's so cool. I love it. Like, cause if you don't have glue and you're like, man, I want to make slime, just do this. It's literally this simple. So I'll just rip the paper plate into a bunch of pieces, and you just want to go ahead and throw it in there. You see? It just starts to melt. Once I put all the pieces, I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can see that I'm not joking. Watch. It's literally melting. Like, so see that? And then, once it's all melted, you could stir it up. It's stringy, but it's not sticky. So, you just want to knead it. And then this one, it gets hard after a while, but you can always mix it with fresh slime. And I don't know if it's for everyone, but when you like pick it up out of the acetone, it makes your hand really cold. So don't mind the TV in the background, but yeah, just look how cool this is. It's literally slime. Like, you could color it, you could scent it, you could, I don't know if you can put like instant snow or clay or anything in it, but yeah, it's really cool. Reminds me of like melted marshmallow. And then if you want it to get like a little more liquidier, or like, you could just add some more acetone in it. And this stuff is really stretchy, but it's like if you tear cotton, it's like stringy like that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and peace.